Hi guys, this is Tomer from Reliable Garage Door Services, and today we're replacing a 16 by 6 foot door. It's a very old door. It's probably the original that came with the house. It have extension spring on it. As you can see, one side broke over here, so we're not able to lift the door up. On the other side we have full tension. See, the spring is extended. And I'm not able to lift up the door. It's just too heavy because it's from wood and have glass on it. The other option is just to cut this cable, but it's very dangerous. It can fly and just cut you, so we don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take off a section or two to make kind of the door lighter, and then I'll be able to bring it up, release the tension, and bring it down again. So once I take off the door, we're going to replace the track too. And instead of putting extension spring, we're going to put torsion spring right here on the top. And it's going to be very tight, but I think we can do it. And then that's it. So we're about to get started, and I'll show you as we go. So the door is off, track is off as well. Everything is ready for us to get started and install a new door. It's a Stratford 3000, insulated, triple steel. What I had to do to take the door off, I don't know if you guys remember, but the spring was still extended and I had no way to lift it up. So I just took all the sections one by one, and then the door was light enough so I pulled it up and released the tension from the spring and took the door off. Another thing I want to show you guys is that in garage door you have a lot of moving parts in it, and this is the roller, but I want you to see how broken the roller is, okay? And that's dangerous, because if that break when the door is up, or two of them break and you are under the garage, or your car is under the garage, one of the panels can definitely fall on you, and that can lead to a bunch of other stuff. So make sure you're maintaining your garage door. Don't be lazy. Whatever needs to be fixed, get it fixed, because a lot of times it can just cause you a lot of more money and pain at the end. Okay, so our track's in place. We already went ahead and we put the doors and all the old equipment in the truck so we can haul it away when we're done. So we have a low headroom track. I really wanted to fit in a torsion bar over here. Kind of try to modify a few things, but it's just not going to work. But I'm going to put in extension springs. Those are the springs we're going to put on. I'd rather to put a torsion spring. They are safer, less parts. Extension springs are just, old technology, but we have to do what we got to do. So now what we're about to do, we're about to put our beautiful door here. It's the Stratford 3000 by Amar Garage Doors. It's about to go on. We don't have a lot left to do, so as soon as we're done, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So we're all set. We have a Stratford 3000. We have our extension springs, LiftMaster 8365, chain drive. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you how it looks from the outside. Thank you guys for watching Reliable Garage Doors.